Hello everyone, welcome to NanoElearn and back to Java for Selenium tutorial series. In our previous session, we have learned about how to use various conditional operators or conditional statements in Java programming, along with the practical demo. In today's video, I will talk about how to use ternary operator in Java, along with the practical demo. Before that, make sure to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever new content is uploaded. If one would like to know complete understanding on ternary operator in Java, please watch this video completely till the end. Let's get started. Ternary operator in Java functions like a simplified if statement in Java programming. It consists of a condition that evaluates to either true or false. A value is returned when a condition is true, else another value is returned when the condition is false. It is like a simple if-else statement and it can be replaced with a ternary operator, also known as conditional operator. It evaluates the test condition and executes a block of code based on the result of the condition. The syntax will look like condition expression1 colon expression2. In the above syntax, the condition is evaluated first, then expression1 is executed if the condition is true. Else, expression2 is executed if the condition is false. Why it is so called ternary operator? It is called as ternary operator because it takes three operands, which are condition, expression1 and expression2. Hence the name ternary operator. Here are some useful URL links. Let us get back to our practical demo. First, we need to open Eclipse IDE, right click on the project and try creating a new class. For this, you need to create new, select class, give the project name, say some ternary demo, select public static void main and click on finish. Then a new class will be created with the name ternary demo. Here the class I have already created here. So let us see how a simple if statement will work, simple if else will work. Here I have initialized two variables of int type x is equal to 60 and I have considered another variable y initialized with the value 30. Here I am writing a simple code for if else, simple if else. I am writing as if x less than y, I am evaluating this expression. If x less than y, I am asking to print x is less than y. Else, if it is x greater than y, then it goes into the else part and it will print as x is greater than y. So let us see how this will work. I am running this program. Here there is one code, I am commenting it. Yeah, now I am running this program. You see that since x is greater than y, that is 60 is greater than 30, the output is printed as x is greater than y. Let us see, I am commenting this code for now. This is how a simple if else statement will work. I am commenting this block of code. Let us see how our ternary operator will work. So the ternary operator syntax, as I already explained, so it evaluates a condition. If the condition is true, expression 1 is printed, else it will print the expression 2. This is the syntax for ternary operator. This is how it will look like. First of all, I am considering the ternary operator output to be an integer output. For this, I have given an example here saying int, I am taking a variable as a result and assigning and evaluating an expression here x less than y. If x less than y is true, 1 is printed, else 0 will be printed. I am running the code here. Let us see how this works. Since x is less than y, so is false here, that is since x is greater than y as per the initialized values, so the 0 is printed here. Let us see the other way around how this works. In case of string type output, here I am initializing res with x less than y again, but I am outputting the result as string output. Here if x less than y is true, it prints x less than y. Else, it prints out the string x greater than y. Let us see how this will work in case of string output. Since x less than y is false, it is taking the x greater than y string output in the result. Now let us try to print the other possible case where the result is of Boolean type. So here I am evaluating the same expression again. I am trying to print the Boolean result either true or false. That is, if x less than y is true, it prints the output as true in the result output, else it will print the false in the output value. Let us see how this works. I am running this code now. You see that false is printed because x less than y is false. As 60 is greater than 30, but here we are evaluating to be x less than y, which is false. So it is picking the expression to which is false and it is displaying at the output. This is the demo for ternary operators. Thanks for watching my video. Happy learning. Have a good day.